Hello friends, in this lesson I will show you how to optimize SEO title for search engine. Optimizing your title tag for SEO as well as for high CTR can have a positive effect on your SEO performance. Here are some things you will want to consider. Include target keyword near the font. Make sure to include your targeted keyword near the front of your title tag. This shows user and search engine what the page is about and is often the first thing they see when scanning through search result. So friends, look, here are title preview. Okay, and I worked SEO title. Look this SEO title. So Yoast SEO by default create this. If I want change this title, then I can edit here. So look, title, page separator, site title. Like this is title and separate and site title. You can edit also site title. So where you edit site title, if you need edit site title, then go to settings and general option, site title. Clear? This site title. If I change here KARIM dot host and save change, and after completing this I will refresh it and look this, here site title are changed. And if you want make your own site title, then you can edit. So now I delete this and I copied site title from here and scroll down and paste here. Okay, and separated key, or here I write my website name karim.host. So here are displayed. So friends, this is the way I can put SEO title in WordPress. Hope you will be understand this lesson. In this lesson, I will show you how to adding Slug or Permalink. First, need to know what is Permalink. Permalink are the permanent URL to your individual pages and blog posts, as well as your category and tag achieve. Slug are the URL friendly name of your posts, pages, categories and tags. If you add a new post, WordPress automatically generate to Slug based on your permalinks setting. So friend, over here when I put here title. This time WordPress automatically generate permalink here. Okay, so if you want to change this slug or permalink, then you can edit here like this. Okay, so now first need to check my post URL. So now I check, this is the post. Here view options, so need to click view option or click right button and open new tab. So look friends, this URL, these are randomly generated from WordPress, but these URL are not SEO friendly. That's why I need to edit this permalinks or slug. First need to set up. So now I will go WordPress dashboard and here settings options and need to click permalink and look this, you select post name. If you select post name, then your page URL generate with your slug. So now I select and click save changes. Now I again click post and click view options. So look, this URL before I set up permalink settings. So this is are not SEO friendly URL. So first, before post, first I need to change permalink settings, then I need to post. So these URL are SEO friendly URL. Hello friends, in this lesson I will show you how to optimize meta description for search engine. Meta description is an important HTML element for describing and summarizing your page's content to benefit both searcher and the search engine themselves. So friends, now here I search my keyword in web browser and enter. Now see, this is our meta description. This is a meta description that will be represent this article. Okay. A meta description consists of a short blurb or synopsis for what your web page is all about, enticing reader to click on your link to learn more. You can find it displayed underneath the title of your web page on a search engine result page. However, While you may include your own meta description, it is still at the search engine discretion as to whether to show a snippet of it on SERP or pull from your overall content to create a new one. So friends, here need to put meta description. So here is the meta description input box. Now here you write meta description just 150 characters. So I paste it meta description. Then look, show here, and here is a green signal. Now meta description is complete, but remember, when you write meta description, this time you need or must be focus keyword. Enter here. If you not input focus keyword in meta description, then your meta description is not strong for SEO. So remember it and put it. Hope you will understand this video, and see you next video. Thank you.